Hello students, today I will teach you chapter 12, that is the cart driver. The cart driver. In this play there are three characters, cart driver and two travelers. Okay, so let us read this play and know more about it. Okay, so kindly open page number 105. 105. Okay. People in the play: cart driver, traveler 1 and traveler 2. A cart driver is sitting in the middle of the road. He is weeping. There is a bullock cart next to him. There are many big bundles on it. The cart is stuck in the mud. Two travelers are walking towards the cart. Oh God, please help me. Traveler 1: Is anything wrong? Cart driver: My cart is stuck. The bike wheels have gone deep into the mud and the bullocks cannot pull the cart out. Traveler 2: Didn't you try to get the cart out? Cart driver: What can I do? The wheels are stuck fast. Traveler 1: Then let us try together. First, let us untie your bullocks. They must be tired. Let them rest, eat and drink. Okay, we'll see the meaning. So it's given about the cart driver. Okay, so what is the meaning of cart driver? Cart driver means the one who drives the cart. Okay, and the cart means a vehicle which has two wheels. Okay, and which is pulled by bullocks or horse. Okay, so in this play there are three characters: cart driver, traveler 1 and traveler 2. Okay, so in the play we see that a cart driver is sitting in the middle of the road. Okay, he is sitting in the middle of the road and weeping. Weeping means crying. Weeping means crying. Okay, there is a bullock cart next to him. There is a bullock cart next to him. Bullock means male cow. Bullock means male cow. Okay, so there is a bullock cart next to him. There are many big bundles on it. Okay, so on the cart there are many big bundles are kept on it. The cart is stuck in the mud. Okay, so the cart is stuck in the mud. Two travelers are walking towards the cart. Okay, so cart driver is sitting in the middle of the road and he is crying because the cart is stuck in the mud and two travelers are walking towards the cart. Okay, so cart driver said, "Oh God, please help me." Okay, so cart driver was very sad because his cart was stuck in the mud. Traveler 1: Is anything wrong? He asked. Traveler 1 asked, "Is anything wrong?" Cart driver: My cart is stuck. The bike wheels have gone deep into the mud and the bullocks cannot pull the cart out. Okay, so the cart driver told him that the bike wheels of the cart has gone into the mud and the bullocks cannot pull the cart. Traveler 2: Didn't you try to get the cart out? Okay, so what did second traveler say? He said, "Didn't you try to get the cart out?" Cart driver: What can I do? The wheels are stuck fast. Okay, so the cart driver replied that what can I do? The wheels are stuck fast. Stuck fast means being so deep in the mud that it cannot be pulled out. Okay, so the cart was stuck in the mud, deep mud, that it cannot be pulled out. Okay, so bullocks were unable to pull the cart. It was stuck in the deep mud. Traveler 1. Then let us try together. First let us untie your bullocks. Okay, so traveler 1 first told that let us try together and let us untie your bullocks. Untie means free the bullocks from the cart. Okay, so the bullocks were tied with the cart. Okay, so the first traveler told that let us first free the bullocks from the cart. Okay, they must be tired, let them rest, eat and drink. Okay, he said that bullocks must be tired and let them rest, eat and drink. Okay, now we'll see the next page, page number 106. Cart driver, where will I find the water and grass for them? Traveler 2, don't worry, the bullocks will find a pool themselves and they can munch the grass on the roadside. Okay, so the cart driver angrily said that where will I find the water and grass for them? Okay, so he was so angry and said that where will he find the grass and water for the bullocks? Then second traveler smiled and said, don't worry, the bullocks will find a pool themselves and they can munch the grass on the roadside. Okay, so pool means where the water is. Okay, so the bullocks themselves will find the water and they can munch the grass on the roadside. Munch means eat noisily. Munch means eat noisily. Okay, so they can eat the grass on the roadside. The cart driver unties the bullocks from the cart. Okay, so what did cart driver do? He untied, matlab remove a knot, or he made the bullocks free from the cart. The cart unties the bullocks from the cart. The animals wander off looking for food and water. Okay, so the animals wander off. Wander off means walk slowly around the place without knowing exactly where to go. Okay, so bullocks were, for bullocks the place was new, so they were wandering. Okay, wander off means walk slowly around the place without knowing exactly where to go. So they were not knowing the place where to go. Okay. Cart driver. Now how will I pull the cart out? Okay, so the cart driver said, now how will I pull the cart out? Who will pull it forward? Okay, so he told that who will pull the cart forward? Forward means to the front. Forward means to the front. Who will pull it front? Traveler first. We all will. We all will pull the cart front. Traveler 2. Yes, let us remove all the bundles from the cart. Okay, so traveler 2 said that let us first remove all the bundles which are kept on the cart. Cart driver shocked. He was shocked listening that. Remove all the bundles? Okay, he was surprised and said that remove all the bundles? Traveler 2. Yes, that will make the cart light. We will put the bundles on the roadside. Okay, so traveler 2 said that will make the cart, when we remove the bundles from the cart, that will make the cart light, and we will put the bundles on the roadside, and we will put the bundles roadside. Cart driver, but there is a lot of work. Okay, so the cart driver said that there is a lot of work. If we remove the bundles from the cart, then we will have more work. Traveler first. We cannot do anything without hard work. Come on. Okay, so he said that without hard work we cannot do anything. The cart driver and the two travelers removed the bundles one by one. After half an hour, the cart is empty. Okay, so they started removing the bundles from the cart, and after half an hour they removed all the bundles from the cart. Traveler first. Look, the bullocks are back. Okay, so after the bullock also came after having their food. Okay, they drank the water and ate the grass, and they had come back. They look fresh, don't they? Okay, so after eating food and drinking water, they look fresh. Traveler second. Now let us yoke them to the cart. Traveler second told that now let us yoke them to the cart. Yoke means tie a special piece of wood around the neck of two animals so that they can work together. Okay, yoke means tie a special piece of wood around the neck of two animals. Okay, so tie the special piece of wood around the neck of animals. Okay, so that they can work together. They can pull the cart together. The cart driver yokes the bullocks to the empty cart. Okay, so the cart driver tied the bullocks with the cart. Traveler first. Now let's push the wheels and the cart from behind. Tell your bullocks to pull hard. Okay, so traveler first said that now let us push the wheels and the cart from behind. Tell your bullocks to pull hard. Okay, so they pushed the wheels together. Cart driver, hey, hey, pull well Bhola, pull well Ranjha. Okay, so the cart driver had named bullocks. Okay, so one bullock name was Bhola and other bullock's name was Ranjha. Okay, so their names were Bhola and Ranjha. Okay, now we will see next page, page number 107. The men give a great push and the bullocks pull hard. Soon the wheels are out of the mud. Okay, so the three of them pushed together the bullocks, and soon the wheel was out of the mud. Traveler 2, look, your bullocks are running off with the cart. Okay, so bullocks started running because the bundles were not there on the cart, so it was light, so they started running very fast. Cart driver, wait. Okay, he laughed and said, wait. The cart driver holds the bullocks in their place gently. Okay, so the cart driver holds the bullocks. Traveler first. Now let us load your cart again. Okay, so traveler first said to load the things again on the cart. The cart driver and the two travelers put the bundles back into the cart one by one. After half an hour, the cart is full again. Okay, the cart driver and two travelers, they started putting their loads on the cart, and within half an hour that cart was full with the loads. Cart driver happily, he said happily, thank you very much. What can I do for you in return for all your help? Okay, so cart driver was happy and he said happily that what can I do for you in return? In return for means, okay, load means put something on a vehicle to send it somewhere. Okay, and in return for means to thank someone for doing something. Okay, so cart driver said what could I do for you in return for to thank someone for doing something. Okay, traveler second, just remember this. If we work hard and if we work together, we can do difficult tasks easily. Okay, so traveler second told that just remember, if we work hard and if we work together, we can do a difficult task easily. Okay, so when we work hard and we work together, we can do difficult work easily. Okay, so difficult task means work. So if we work together with anyone, any difficult work we can do. Okay, so when we work hard and if we work together, we can do easily any difficult work. Okay, so hope you have understood about this play. Okay, So kindly revise the chapter, read the paragraphs loudly and learn word meanings. Okay students, thank you.